Ever wondered what life was like for a housewife in ancient Rome? Picture marble floors, olive oil lamps, and the scent of fresh herbs wafting through your villa. But hold up, being a Roman lady wasn't all lounging in togas and sipping wine. No, ma'am. It meant cooking up hearty meals, scrubbing those mosaic floors, and keeping your skin as radiant as a goddess. Today, on Time Traveling Housewife, we're living a day in the life of a Roman housewife. From cleaning tips that still work today to beauty rituals Cleopatra would envy. Let's step into my Roman villa, shall we? Let's get scrubbing Roman style. Back then, there were no vacuums or disinfectant sprays. Cleaning was all about elbow grease and natural solutions. The Romans used brooms made from twigs or straw for sweeping dust, cloth rags soaked in vinegar and water for wiping surfaces, pumice stones to scrub tough stains, and floors. You'd polish those beautiful mosaics with olive oil and sand, nature's original floor polish. Time to get cooking. Roman kitchens called colina were small and smoky, but the meals, absolutely delicious. A Roman housewife would whip up libum, honey cheese bread, a sweet little treat made with flour, cheese, eggs, and drizzled with honey. Pottage stew, a simple hearty dish with lentils, onions, and herbs. Herb-infused olive oil, used for dipping bread and flavoring everything. Let's try making libum, the Roman version of a cheesecake. Simple ingredients, baked on a stone and sweetened with a touch of honey. It smells like ancient Rome already. Now, let's talk beauty, because Roman women knew how to glow. Their skincare routine was refreshingly natural. Roman beauty secrets included olive oil massages for soft, radiant skin, honey masks to cleanse and moisturize, crushed berries and red ochre as lip and cheek tint Fuller's Earth, clay masks for purifying the skin. Self-care wasn't a trend, darling. It was a lifestyle, even back then. Being a Roman housewife meant balancing hard work with beauty, hospitality, and family life. They knew the importance of using what nature provides, of community, bathhouses, and of finding moments of elegance in everyday routines. That's a mindset we can bring back, don't you think? So, my lovely time travelers, would you try a Roman beauty ritual? Or maybe bake up a batch of ancient honey bread? Let me know in the comments. Download our Roman Housewife Starter Kit, printable cheat sheet down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more vintage living through the ages. Until next time, stay fabulous. And remember, even Roman housewives knew how to shine.